If you don't know, now you know. What's going on, family? It's your boy, Mr. P. Sunday night markups, man, is going up tonight. I appreciate everyone on the call, everyone on YouTube. Hit the like, subscribe button, all that cool stuff they be saying. And we're going to get into it. With the things and the chauffeur. Yes, sir. Somebody asked, I think this is a random question. I hate to share this. I don't want to put nobody on blast. Oh, I just sent the picture. That's not right. That's just wrong. I'm sitting here talking about people. I need to be talking about myself. My bad, dog. I just sent the flick. Delete that. My bad. My bad. My bad. Dog. Did I do that to anybody else? Did I do that? Okay, cool. And if you don't know, now you know. Hope everyone's feeling phenomenal. We got Mr. and Mrs. Wells in the building. Shout out to y'all. Hope y'all weekend was great. I'm still in this. I bought this over the weekend. I got in here. I'm still in XRP. We still rolling. I'm looking at it on this monthly. I do like where it's at. I do think this monthly will bounce off this zone and continue to the upside. So I am in this. I think I got an account. Here go one account. See XRP. I'm at XRP on this one. I went OD on the OD. Put the 5 light on there. Okay, Mr. P. Oh, you out here just showing out, huh? All right, so let me take a little bag. You know, we like bags. Oh, I gotta turn that down. It's pretty loud. Okay, so I am in this XRP buy. Like I said, this is my entry here. We is in this buy 1929. I think I'm in it on this one too. Let me see. And if you don't know, now you know. Let's see. Okay, I took profit and got back in on this one. I am in a small gold buy. I want to see what it actually do. All right, so we're going to go over the charts and see what we can see. I'm just checking my accounts, man. I just got back to the house. Let me see which accounts we got active. I got like 3 accounts, man. I'm just checking them out. Okay, cool. We got a little bag right there. Okay, bet. All right. So let's get into it, man. Like I said, I like XRP. I want to see it come back up to $1. Of course, I'm not just going to hold it because of swap fees and a lot of other things. So let me show you what account was that? 20. All right, so let me just show you my history for the past. Let's see, trading history. All right. So like this is an example of me just penny pinching. And this is good, especially since I got Mr. and Mrs. Wells on the call. This is the only people here right now. Shout out to everybody on YouTube, but this is penny pinching. Like, I don't care what it is. I got hella entries and I'm taking everything it gives me. $2, $3, $4, $9, $6. I don't care. I'm taking whatever it can give me. You feel what I'm saying? And that's what I do mostly. Like, I just take what the market gives me, man. I know I see a pullback. If it don't pull back, then cool. If it pulls back, then cool. So I really was just playing this XRP all weekend. I'm getting $2, $3. I got multiple entries. So I got in here, took profit here, got back in here, took profit here, got in here on this line. I've been buying off this line all week, well, all weekend. And I just been taking, just like y'all see me just take those little partials right then. So that's what I call penny pinching, man. When you just take your $2, $3, $4, $5, and XRP ain't that volatile, right? Until it actually moves, right? So, you know, the drawdown not too hectic like jazz. You feel me? So just, you know, keep that in mind when you out here getting your bag, because you can compound these gains and still win. You know what I mean? So I bought off this 4 hours on right here too. It came down, boom, we bought back up. Now this is what I learned from Troy, right? This is very important because it helped me. Like I learned this from T Mitch, and this is he really helped me take my game to another level, because I wait on this. Now I wait on this all the time. Now it came down there, but I bought here, took profit there. It came back down where I wanted. I took profit. So I just been kind of penny pinching. But this break of structure right here, this is what he showed me when it comes to that. So this candle was the break of structure. This candle broke this structure just like this candle, this bearish candle broke this structure, right? So this is the break, right? And this is the break back to the top. So once it broke, I'm like, okay, cool. This is the zone. This is the break. This is the buy zone, this whole area, right? That's the buy zone. And it's been respecting that zone every rip. But it did come down to this 4 hour twice, which I love. Came down, tapped it. It didn't really dig how I would have wanted it, but hey, tapped it. And then it made another one right here, bullish engulfing. Tapped it. And I just want to see this thing get bullish. So that's my XRP thoughts. Let's go GBP CAD. GBP CAD sold like an iPhone that just dropped. This thing sold all crazy. Now we was playing with this, and we was eating off this. We sold this last week, then we bought it back up, and we should have caught this sale. Like this is a nice structure here. When it comes to me, I like to look at wicks. Like wicks kind of tell stories when they clean. Like this is some clean, these some clean wicks. So right here, boom, I like this, right? And then right back down. So it makes like a little triangle, right? And on the lower time frame, this is a head and shoulders, right? So when you see like this on the daily and you see these plays, that's a good indication. Like I seen this and I'm like, okay, cool. This next candle before it opens, it may come back up into this zone, kind of respect that level and then tank. And it did. It dropped, I think it's like 300, maybe 300 pips. Yep, 350. So with this, now this is a clean break. It broke 2 levels, right? So it broke this level, right? Let me get rid of that. Can y'all hear me okay? Am I?
Yeah, I can hear you fine.
Oh, okay, bad. All right, so the music ain't too loud, is it?
No, it's good.
Okay, bad. All right, so it broke 2 levels here. This is a nice level here, this right? How it respect. This is a break, retest, continuation. Now you'll see it clear on a smaller time frame. Now this just broke this level and this level, and then it came back and retested this level. So, but it's respecting this low. So with GCAD, we just gotta wait and see what it do. I think it will buy up for a second, but this is a nice zone. Like I said, break it down to a smaller time frame. As you see, this is a resistance level. We got the break, the retest, right, and the continuation. So here we got the break twice. This is a nice support level, right? It broke it, didn't really retest it how I would have liked. It consolidated and then it dropped and broke this next level, and then it retested. So this is the level, the sell level. Now I do want to see this continue to the downside, but it dropped so hard. I just want to see how it reacts like in the next couple days. Now, if we can find a nice risk to reward, that would be nice. Like this daily. Oh, excuse me. Got these things up here. Okay, so on this from the daily, from the 4 hour and the 1 hour, this zone is pretty nice. So if I was to shoot my shot, right, we'll put an alert right here. Set this alert, sell zone, buy. And then we just want to look at it to see if it respects this level. And this would be the play for me as far as risk to reward. See if we can take it back down here. Anything in the middle of that is gains. It's not really we in profit, it's on you. But at the end of the day, put it above these wicks and just let the play run. Now, risk to reward is good. So we're risking 20 pips for 50. That would be our first take profit. Actually, 30. 30 pips will be here, right? 50, and then we can possibly take it down to the 100. So that's what I like on GCAD. Now, if that plays out, that would be amazing. But it's worth a shot. You feel me? Because of the break was so aggressive, it might continue to the downside. Now, it's a lot of imbalance up here, fair value gaps, et cetera, that can potentially come back up. But I think we can get a push back down before we get the buy back up. So I would like to see something like this, man. And then it come up here somewhere in the zone and probably drop somewhere. But I would love to see that. So we get the buy up, which is right now, right? And then we can sell this off potentially down here. Now I would take my money somewhere here, not just wait on this play, because price will come back, right? NFP was lit though. I watched it. I bought gold. I feel bad because I didn't tell nobody. So I feel real bad. I bought it. I smacked for like 100 pips when I got out the market, but it actually went like 200-300 pips. So maybe that was my karma for not saying nothing.
You
But
know,
yeah,
maybe so.
oh, that's crazy. That's how you do me, huh? Yeah, so yeah, I like this right here. We can go ahead and send this out and just kind of see what it does in the air. We get some nice rejection. Now we could take this down to a smaller time frame, like the 30-minute, boom, get a more sniper entry, and we can wait on that. And I'll just keep taking this down. Now look, we getting more and more, you know, surgical when it comes to this. So boom, that's the level. So I'm gonna move this up. All right there. Now we got on the 15. If it's on the 5, our risk reward just got way better. Okay, the 15, cool. All right, let's go back to the 15 and then put the roof on it. So this is these wicks are it. Right. So that would be my stop would be right above there. But now our stop loss just got smaller. 15 pips. 15 pip stop loss, maybe 10. So that's cool right there. So I do like that. We're gonna wait on that play, see if that plays out. I know we could potentially at least get some type of rejection. I don't think it's just gonna break through there. You know what I mean? But that's a nice zone because we got a bearish engulfing on the 4 hour, right? Huge. This thing's huge. Huge candle right here. We got on the let me check the 3. We got on the 3. We got on the 2. We got on the 1, the 30-minute, and the 15. Y'all get the picture. So I want to see this shoot up here and then potentially tank down. So that's what I'm looking for right there. Let me go ahead and take a little screenshot of this. Send this to the chat. Let's see if we can. If you're not asking a question, can you please hit mute, please? Or if you don't have a question or have something slick to say to your boy, or give me a nice compliment, I appreciate y'all. Because I take compliments. You feel me? You can give me a compliment. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we're gonna put this out. This is GBP. GBP CAD. I'm so mad we missed this sale. We should have been in that drop. I'm excited about this week though. GBP CAD. Cool. Don't worry, I got you, D Money. All right. What else we looking at? All right, so NJ. This thing tricky. All the JPYs is tricky right now. They doing some trickeration. Like if you look at this, price closed above here, right? It literally closed above on this daily. We got a daily bullish engulfing, and this is a whole bunch of consolidation, which is nice, but this will break out soon. I want to see this get bullish. All right. I want to see this actually get bullish. We got a nice W forming here. I think it's just gonna break out, to be honest. 12 hour, got a 12-hour bullish engulfing here. We may get a push down. Right. So I will mark up this zone and see if we can find something inside of here. And we can shoot our shot. That's all we could do. 9-hour bullish engulfing, 6-hour bullish engulfing.
Question, Mr. P.
What's up, 4-hour? Talk to me.
Mr. P.
I'm listening. What's up?
Oh, okay. So you said it was forming a day, a W. No, what does that what does that indicate, or what does a forming you mean?
Okay. All right. Okay. I'm gonna take you to school real quick. I ain't mad at that. All right. So let's go. All right. So do you see the W? Miss Newton, do you see a W?
Oh my, yes, I see the W.
Okay, cool. All right. So when you see, let me see if I can Google that real quick. So let's go to Google. I think they'll pull it up for us. Google. All right, that wasn't Google. All right, so all right, let's go W pattern. Let's go Forex pattern. Oh, okay, I got trading. That's cool. Boom. All right, so this is it right here. Let's go to images and bam. Don't this look exactly like what we just looked at? Tell me I'm lying. Let's go back to it.
It looked exactly like what we just looked at.
That's what I'm saying, right? So this is a cool indication. It didn't break this neckline, but it did close above, right? So when you see W's like that, that's just another potential confirmation. Where did I go? Oh, potential confirmation because we did get a close above here, right? And it's a W. Now it's the same thing when it's a when it's an M pattern. So it's just a bearish pattern. So it does exactly the same thing. It creates an M. You see this M, boom, 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 and usually it continues to the downside. So when you see a W pattern or an M pattern, it's basically giving you it's just a confirmation you can use to potentially know that the market is trending a certain way. You know what I mean? That makes sense?
Okay, yeah, I got it. That was a good one. I'm taking notes too.
Yes, ma'am. So basically, this is a W. We see a nice W here. We do got to close above we got a daily bullish engulfing, a 12 hour, a 9 hour, a 6 hour, a 4 hour, uh, nothing on the 3, 2, 1. All right, we got one on the 30 minute. So maybe this would be a nice shot if we could shoot it. So I'll put an alert right here. And if this come here, we just gonna look and see what we could potentially see. Because what I would like to see is price come down to around here. And then we can bop in for the buy. Nice risk reward. Take it to the next level. Get around. Keep up. Look. So that will be our entry off this zone here. Something like this. Now it is another zone under there because we trying to get surgical, but it might not come this far. So that's a zone 2, but I do like this zone here. And then this will be another entry for me. So I would compound with the same stop loss if it did come down here, right? So that would be another entry there. And then my first take profit would be this zone here. So back up here would be the first TP. Now we do it. Now look at this. Look at this bullish engulfing right here. Look how price just came and beautifully just tapped that thing and took off. Beautiful entry, no pullback gains. It's beautiful. And that's what we're looking for when we run this engulfing play. So yeah, that's basically what I'm looking at on NZDJPY. We really want to watch it since it's consolidating, but like I said, we got a W, on this daily, the weekly. It did close above on the weekly as well, right? We got to close above here, so it did take out the previous high. It is at a nice level though. This is a nice zone I would like price to come back to, but I don't think it's coming back just yet. And I really want to see this. I really want to see this monthly. I want to see it come up here to be honest. And we can once we catch this sale, it's pretty much a wrap. Come up here, catch that sale, and then drizzle to the bizzle. You fizzle. So that's my thoughts on NZDJPY. Let's look at what else I like. Gold. Let's look at the baby. See what she doing. This heifer here. This heifer here. She sure know how to get me in my pockets. Take all my little money. Okay, so I'm still sell bias on sales. I'm biased, even though this daily closed bullish, man. It's in this bullish zone. I think it's just gonna trickle down. I think it's just gonna sell. To be honest, I'm in a small buy just because. Oh, this 12 hour look nice. Now look, this is the previous high on the 12 hour and the daily. Like this is these highs haven't been taken out. So I want to see price come here. I want to see it come dig up in here. Let's see if we can find inside this 12-hour bearish engulfing. And this is crazy. So I did some back testing. Well, right after right after the market closed, this is a bullish engulfing on the 1 hour. So I think it just trickled down. I think it'll come up, spike us in, and then we can get this play. So now this is NFP right here, this candle. Let me show you. This thing moved 700 plus pips in a matter of like 3-4 hours, right? So this was the sell. That's 200 plus pips, 250. Then price bought up from here. This is the buy I got in, which I'm so mad I didn't tell y'all because I don't know why. I just hit the button. It was moving so fast, right? It bought up 350 pips. So that's 250 plus 350. That's 600, right? Then it dropped another 250 pips. That's 900 plus pips, almost 1,000 pips in a matter of 5 hours. I thought that was crazy. And that's what I love about NFP. But this 12-hour zone is this green zone we just marked up. So we want to go down and see from the 12 to the 9. See what we can see. The 6, the 4, 3. 2, 1, 30. Okay. Did it hit that? Yeah, it already got hit. It might come back low. All right. So if this daily, not daily, what am I talking about? I'm looking for sales, but I wanted to push up first. I want price to get bullish before it get bearish. I don't think price will take out these daily highs. So we got this daily high here. I don't think price is going to ever take that out. Not ever, but I don't think it's going to take it out before we get the drop down. So I'm still looking for sales, man. I'm looking for an entry. I'm looking for an entry. I think it's gonna buy up before it sells down, but I'm looking for an entry. I don't see nothing right now. I'm gonna probably wait in London, New York, see what we see. I am gonna put an alert here. Let me see. Let's go ahead and just use this one. Put that right there. And why I love alerts is because I don't have to be looking at it when it gets to my area. It gets there, and then we get a text message on our phone and say, "Hey, price in your area, run the play." So it is a gap right here, right? That's a gap, a gap down, which is an indication that it sold over the weekend. Some people sold some gold over the weekend, right? So it is a gap right here. I want to see price come dig up into this gap and tank. But we just gonna watch it until we get a nice entry where our risk to reward is on point. This is what I want to see. I want to see price close below this previous low. Delete some stuff. But that's my thoughts on gold. I'm gonna look at US Security. Still respecting this trend. Price came and bounced right off the trend, so it is respecting this downtrend. Excuse me. Okay. All right. So US 30, US 30, US 30. All right, US 30 ready to run off. US 30 ready to run off with your bag, man. So we do got a daily bullish engulfing and close. This is so manipulative. I'm sorry. There's no way that this thing can continue to buy. I don't believe it. I'm just waiting on the sell setup. But price is respecting this level. And I think we talked about this on a call last week. And I was saying how price keeps buying off this level. I think it was here. Like boom, boom, boom. Price kept hitting here. It came down again. We did get a close below. Not really. Maybe not quite. Nah. So we didn't get the close below, but we didn't get the close above. So as long as price don't close above this 4 hour, I'm looking for shorts. This is 6 hour high, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. I do have a sell entry up here. So if it does come up there, I do have a zone up here at 42.60 36, and I do got one at 42,705 that we looking for something. So we just watching US 30, man. I really want
You're
these. What's happening? I really want these things to
studying.
tank. Everything good, sis. Okay, auntie, I'm gonna check out GU right now. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for me as far as what I'm looking at. Now, when we hop on these calls, we pretty much, share ideas. And the reason I look at anything outside of what we just looked at is because you guys asked to look at something like Auntie just said she wants to see GU. And other people trade other things. So let's look
Have
at
you looked at
GU.
oil?
Haven't looked at oil. I would love to look at oil for you. All right, Auntie, what did she just say? GU forming the head and shoulders on a 4 hour. Let's check it out. All right, cool. I can't stand the rain. Oh, you looking for that other shoulder to form, Auntie? Is this
Yes.
this your
Yes.
pair, huh? You want to see it come up, make another shoulder, and drop back down, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I ain't mad at that. Let's look at this daily real quick. Look like it's trying to form on a daily too. I can't stand the rain. Damn, why didn't I catch this ball? Did I catch this? What just happened? Who did that?
Somebody put it in the chat Friday.
This
I
been
don't
here for
know.
real.
For the buy, I think.
I don't know if I'm waiting on this or what happened already. Oh, I think I'm waiting on it. I'm not mad at what you're saying. Like it could come up here, hit this little imbalance, and then make that other shoulder. It did close bearish on a weekly. This monthly might close bearish too. It looked like it wants to. It's 24 days left in this candle. It can definitely do the drizzy. So it looked like I want to push up a little bit. Let's see if we can find something in this imbalance then. That's what I would look for. I would look for price to come off this imbalance and see what we can see right off because that will make the other shoulder. So daily 12. There it is right there. See if it, because this is a break structure, right? That was the level, broke, retest, break, retest, continuation. Okay, Auntie, I see you, girl. I see you. Auntie want to see this play right here. I ain't mad at what she's saying. It looks good. I'm gonna set an alert. See what it do when it do what it do. Now I might consolidate. It might even flag down a little bit and then spike up. It might come down to this level. Don't take out this low. It's not just gonna come right up there, or it may just come right up there. But I'm not mad at that. That looks pretty cool. And then our risk to reward will just be based off this 9 hour. We would take this here, grab that, jump right there. See what we see on lower time frames inside that zone. It's a 4 hour candle right there. Looks good. 3 hour, 30 minute. There that thing go right there. Let me lock this up real quick. So that would potentially be our entry. This is the best risk to reward right here. That right here. That will be the best risk to reward. D1, you don't know what your phone doing, but I hit mute again. It's vibrating in my ear, bro. If you want to talk, you feel free to unmute yourself. That will be my risk to reward right there. Boom. And that's about, Auntie, I say about, that's a call out price label. Around there, 3247. Like my number to make sense. 30 something. It probably makes sense to me. Let's do 70. Yo, that look good. So I will wait on price to probably come dig up in there. Risk reward be like 5, 10 pips, which would be cool. So I ain't mad at that. I got an alert set. No, I do not. All right, and oil. Let's check out oil. US 30 look like. I just want this thing to fall out the sky. Oil. Is XRP still running? I think all these cryptos about to shoot up. I think Jasmine shooting up. I think XRP shooting up. I think Pro, Bitcoin. I think all of them are shooting up. I think they're gonna buy up for the rest of the year, to be honest. It's just my opinion though. Okay, oil beat us up. We ate good on oil, then she smacked us last week. We ate off her, and she smacked us. All right, look at this weekly. We got Cookie on the call. Did you want to look at AJ for us, Cookie? You look like you at home in front of your computer. I seen your little pretty face show up. You covered it up again. Let me see. This weekly look crazy. Crypto was basically consolidating over the weekend. It was flagging down, then it shot up. This weekly look crazy on oil. This monthly look like it wants to close bullish. This was the buy zone. We was in it. If we'd have held this buy all month, well, from last month, literally. Well, this is a brand new monthly candle. The month has only been a week, and this thing bought up hundreds of pips. Like the month just started. This thing already engulfing last month candle. And we was in this buy. We just took profit. But that's 800 plus pips. It's crazy. So I would wait to see what this monthly close as. Or I would potentially see if we can find a buy. This daily look nice. But based off of what Troy taught me, price ain't coming back down here, not just yet. Like you'll be able to eat off of this zone for a second. Let me delete some of this stuff so y'all can see what I'm talking about. All right, so I would normally wait on this. I would wait on price to come here, but this is where our breaker structure is. This is our change of character. This is a break. That's the break. And it closed above this previous candle. So based off of the information T Mitch showed me, right? Price comes here and then it continues to the upside. Now we can see if that plays off that zone, but that's the break. Retest the break, and then push. We got to close above, change the character here, break a structure here. Came off this bearish engulfing. We get the pull back, continuation. As you see, we got another W, right?
Yeah, I was just gonna point out there go another
Okay.
W.
Oh, your eyes is open. Now I see you, girl. That's what's up. Yeah. So that's what I think about oil. I think we can potentially get a buy somewhere around. This was our sell zone. We sold a couple times off that zone, but I think somewhere around 700 area, between 7 and 600. We can potentially look for buys. But me personally, I missed a lot of trades because I be waiting on this, and sometimes it never comes back. Like, for example, let's see if we can find one. Like right here, it's a good example too. So I will wait on this, me personally. But like, look, break a structure, right? Close above. This is the break. This area right here is the break. It's the break. And what did the price do? It bounced off. Eventually it came down there, but we could have ate. That's good money. It's the daily.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, it came. tested this zone and just shot up. After we got the break of structure, it kind of consolidated for like a week or so. We got the bullish engulfing. If you want to wait on your confirmation, buy right off that zone. Boom. And looks like that's what it's doing right now. Got the break. We might get some consolidation and then shoot up. But I will wait on a push down or just wait, shoot your shot, proper risk reward, and just run it. We gonna lose, y'all. We gonna take lessons. But we just have to make sure our lessons not as big as our wins. You feel me? So it's just a matter of shooting your shot, not over leveraging, and just running the play. If you use the same lot size consistently, you won't lose. Like you can lose like that one trader. He lost 99% of his trades. He just needed one to go. And when that go, and he was a profitable trader. So that's all I got. Y'all want me to look at something else? Other than that, I'm just waiting on London. I am in XRP buys. What else I'm in? XRP 29. I think this is just XRP, and I got a small entry on gold. Yep, just so I can kind of scale it. I really want to see it sell.
At the light, take a.
You know what? Let's shoot our shot real quick. Let's go ahead.
Say, brother, it's
Say, sir.
London session 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, or do you know? So no, we in Mountain Time.
No, London is
London session is at 3:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and pre-London is at 2:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
All right, so that's 12 o'clock. All right, I appreciate it.
Oh, no question. Shout out
At
to Cook.
stop sign, turn.
So this is the 15-minute. I mean, I just put in a small range. Let me see if I can get a quick 50 pips. I've got a 17 pip stop loss. See if we can get a quick maybe 50 while we sleep or just watching football or something. We'll see what happened there. I'm biased on sales, but I think we'll get the push up before we get the push down. I'll take some of this XRP money though. See if we can take some of this. I know y'all was going crazy in the chat on the crypto, man. I'm like, what is going on? Y'all had me like, oh my goodness. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
That's the session that overlaps at 3 o'clock.
Yeah. Let's look it up real quick. I mean, it's all Googleable. You know what I'm saying? You know, Forex hours. Boom. Show you everything right here. Boom, that's your overlap session right there. Sydney and Tokyo overlaps a little bit, but you know, all this stuff is Googleable. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I had looked it up. I just was trying to make sure because I seen a few of them. They had different times on there, so I just was like, well, let me actually make sure.
Yeah, for sure. It just depends on where you at in the world. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is pretty much it. You know, usually everything is made. What's the other time? Cookie? It was like I don't know. It's like some other country type thing, but this kind of gives you GMT. Like I don't know that I get that a lot because I got a lot of international friends now because I don't know, I've been traveling, so they be hitting me like, hey man, let's meet at this time GMT. I'm like, I still don't know what GMT is. I gotta Google it my damn self. But yeah, so yeah, this the hours though, bro. Not Troy, he just sent the message. He must be rolling. This nigga is silly. He in the EJ short. But yeah, Cookie is the London queen, man. Let me tell you. She used to have London sessions twice, 2-3 times a week. Oh yeah, T Mitch cooking. That boy cooking, he in the short. Yeah, so she got London sessions, man. She used to do them all the time. And then she started back at her gig, so she haven't been too active. But yeah, she if you want a question about London session, that's the person. She usually tear London up. But yeah, other than that, man, that's all I got, family. Oh, for all the YouTube subscribers, man, make sure you hit the link below, man. Like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff they be talking about. And we'll catch y'all next time.